This is the Fetal Doppler. It has high fidelity clear sound and high sensitivity Doppler probe. Thus, pregnant women can check the baby's heartbeat easily and clearly, even they don't know any medical knowledge.
That's right, and I think that parents-to-be will be very happy and feel at ease when they hear the baby's heartbeat. Maybe you will worry, will the ultrasound do harm to the unborn babies? Let me answer you. Our machine is used a low ultrasound dosage. And we just talked about maybe you will worry, will the ultrasound do harm to the unborn babies? Our answer is our machine uses a low dosage ultrasound, so it will not be harmful to the unborn babies.
And this model is suitable for any situation. This model means fetus daily track and routine examination at home, clinic, community, and hospital because it is easy to carry and convenient operation.
What's more, it can equip with an earphone and a speaker. In a noisy environment, you can wear the headphones to listen, and you can also share the fetal beating with your families. You can share these wonderful moments together.
Wow, sounds amazing. Doctors can also order this Fetal Doppler for your clinic or hospital. On one hand, you can use it when providing antenatal care. On the other hand, you can also recommend to many parents-to-be. Here I will show you the machine how to work.
Yes, here is the power button, and here is the button for adjust sound levels. And let me turn on. You just simply operations, and then start to work. Normally, you can put these parts on our mothers-to-be's skin, and then you can detect the heartbeat of our babies. For satisfying the different requirements of our clients, we have different models for our clients to choose. You can check the photos from the screen. This is our different models. If you are interested, you can send us an inquiry.